today's topic, I want to talk about networking and why networking is the number one skill set to have if you want to get ahead in your career, either through the workplace or just in the business world. Most people think about networking as something you do when you're trying to find a new job, or you're just trying to find a switch in your career. But the thing is, networking is more than finding a career. Networking is about building relationships. And by this I mean building business relationships or building strong bonds through your workplace or through your colleagues. In my career, I think of networking as a habit. And networking is a habit that you need to cultivate every single day. In my case, I work on different projects with different states. And the thing that I do with my colleagues is to cultivate and build relationships. I work across the aisle, so to speak, to use terms used in Congress, which means I don't just have to work with my colleagues or my co-workers. I go across product lines. I reach out to solution architects. I reach out to directors, business managers, business leaders, just to touch base and to talk about the company or the products or what they think about the future. This habit that you form every single day is what ultimately decides how you change careers or how you move up the corporate ladder, so to speak. So my advice to you guys is cultivate networking as a habit. Don't wait until it's too late for you to start building relationships. You have to start building these relationships right now, every single day, every single week, as you work on the different projects, different tasks that you have at work. Reach out to your coworkers, collaborate. You don't have to work on the same team or along the same product lines, which is why it's called networking. And networking is more of a relationship, as I mentioned before. There are many benefits of networking. One is you open up your mind to new ideas. And when you open up your mind to new ideas, it means that you can bridge the gaps between product lines, between different teams, and ultimately that's how you get ahead. The other benefit is you get to understand different products, different careers, and different skill sets as you work every single day. So that's technically how you build relationships. The other benefit is that you heard the term that people like to work with people who are more approachable, people who are more likable. So if you build this muscle of likability, then people are more inclined to find it easier to talk to you. Now, I'm not saying just talk to everybody, but sometimes if you build that relationship, that conversational skill set is really gonna go far ahead in your career. However, there are instances where it's tough to build relationship because people are introverts, or they just don't like to interact with other people, and they just want to stick to their lanes. But learn to break the ice. Learn to reach out and find out, hey, how are you doing? How is your project? How is your week? And more than often, people will find that likability, that approachability, something they want to cultivate and get close to every single day. Now that's my advice on networking. It's a habit you build every day. It's a skill set you build every day. And in my career as a data engineer, that's something I've been able to build over time, to build strong business relationships with CEOs, CTOs, CIOs, solution architects, software engineers, developers, project managers, and all these other different professionals in this day and age. So if you get anything from this video, is cultivate networking as a habit. Until next time, stay positive and subscribe to this channel for data engineering, personal finance, as well as productivity videos. Until next time, have a great day. Peace.